सांजीकर आणि आमचे दुसरे तुमचे मिडियाचे सदांत साथी आसात आणि आमचे वायस प्रेसिडेंट बाब सुनील कवटणकर. ओवर टू श्री के.सी. वेणुगोपाल जी to address you.
Thank you, Girish ji. It's okay. This is needed. Good evening. First of all, on behalf of me also, sincere apology for the delay of this PC. I think we told you 5 o'clock. Now it is 1 hour delay due to the busy schedule of our meetings. I came here yesterday evening. Yesterday and today, we had a series of meetings with leaders and office bearers of the Goan Congress. We discussed about a organizational revamping, BLA 2 appointment, booth committee formation, block committee formations, and DCC office bearers appointment. All these things we had reviewed yesterday and today. And certainly we are discussing about the coming election strategy also. We had a political affairs committee meeting. We had a one-to-one meeting with all the senior leaders and workers. Now we had block presidents and district office bearers meeting also. I am very confident that a great enthusiasm is witnessing in Goa among the cadres for these elections. Why this enthusiasm? We can witness the general atmosphere of Goa is completely against the BJP government. There are solid reasons behind it. Now everybody is telling Goa is put sail for under BJP rule. In the name of development, they are completely grabbing the land of the people of this Goa, which Goans never expected at all. They are completely bypassing the local bodies by a special provision in the rule, legislation. Now in the name of big corporate houses, their buildings, the prime land of Goa completely have been diverted for these construction purposes, which is going to harm ecologically also. It is actually, they are completely spoiling the future of Goa. Future youngsters of Goa have to be, I think they are concerned about all these things. What is going to be their future in this type of land grabbing happening? And land utilization formalities have been changed for the construction activities and the big builders, Hims and Famsi. The future of Goa is going to be danger. There was completely biggest corruption happening in that area, biggest scam is happening in that area. BJP's government, Chief Minister himself is involving all these things. When the Chief Minister is corrupt, you cannot expect any good governance from the government. That is what we are witnessing in Goa now. You know that Goa is considered to be a safest place to travel, to stay. You are the media people from the Goa. Can you say like this now? Can you say like this now? I don't think so. I have a statistics that last 4 years, 127 murder, 383 rapes, 2,113 cases of theft, burglary and robbery, 354 kidnaps, 1,127 assaults. The piece of land become, these people are making this land the land of crime, this piece of land. in unemployment rate, Goa is number one unemployment rate in nowadays. BJP is not talking about the unemployment. BJP is not talking about the Goa environment. Basically, the promises which they have given to the people of Goa completely become unfulfilled. So, Congress party is going to take it up in a bigger level in the election. This government has to go for saving the land of Goa. So we are going to make our election fight like this only. I am very much confident that this time people of Goa will certainly remove this BJP government from the power. National scenario also you can think at. These people are talking about Hindutva every day. I am told that so many trains are going to Ayodhya. Good thing. I am also a believer. But I believe, we people, Congress people, believe in God on the sake of believing God. But BJP people believe in God, and they are talking about the religion on the sake of polarizing the people and looting the temple. This is the biggest example. VHP and RSS is completely responsible for the temple theft in Ayodhya. Why BJP keeping mum on that? Why Prime Minister Narendra Modi is silent on that? These people last 30 years, 40 years talking only about Ram Janmabhoomi, Ram Temple. Okay. Now people who are theft from the donation which have been given by the poor people of this country, poor villagers of the country. Why they are being covered? Why they are being protected? This completely, these people who looted the temple is protected by the union government, protected by the UP government. Now they form an SIT. You can interestingly so that they arrested 8 people. Those are peons, drivers, over lower level. 3 months before itself, CCTV removed from the temple. The security head warned that something is happening in the temple. No action. Nothing is there. Secretary, trust secretary itself is the biggest VHP leader. Responsible. I think I wrote a letter to the Prime Minister of India. There should be an impartial inquiry monitored by the Supreme Court to find out the real culprits of this temple theft. So many gold has been gone, money has been gone, and this trust has to be dismissed without any delay. Then they are talking about the Hindutva. Earlier, you can see that they will tell them, this Muhammad Ghazani looted Somanath temple 17 times in 27 years. BJP leaders and RSS leaders used to tell that Muhammad Ghazani looted Somanath temple 17 times in 27 years. That is why they will ask that Muhammad Ghazani is a Muslim, you have to hate Muslims. This is hate theory of BJP. If that is the situation, now you see that BJP appointed trustees looted the Ram temple 70 times in 42 days. 70 times in 42 days. Then what we have called to this so-called people who are spreading violence, who are talking about the Rama Bhakti? Completely bogus people. Therefore, we are going to expose all these things. We need to know how action is going to be happening in these things. You understand, a former Union Home Secretary, media people know, a former Union Home Secretary claimed that a 1 kilogram gold Ramacharita Manasa he donated to Ram Lalla was not properly accounted. This is not an allegation by a common man, a retired Home Secretary of this country. This is what happening in Ayodhya Ram Temple. It is a very painful for all of us. It is a painful for all believers of this country. Prime Minister is keeping silent. Therefore, we are going to expose all these things. Then you can see, understand that the future of our students, examination leakage, NEET examination, CBSE exams are all leaking. Nobody is accountable. Dharmendra Pradhan is continuing as an education minister. No problem at all. Students' future is in danger. Re-examination centers also. A student in Nagpur has to given an allocated in a center in Abu Dhabi. This type of governance, union government is also doing. Both ways, the double engine I am telling, center and state, double engine, they are used to tell that double engine sarkar. All double engine is completely concentrated on looting. Then other end, you people know that Goa was the epicenter of this defection politics. Now, Bengal, TMC, Maharashtra, Shiva Sena, Aam Aadmi Party. Britishers used to sell that divide and rule. Now, BJP invented that theft and rule. Break and rule. Basically, it is a theft. Using ED agencies and blackmailing the people, they are completely promoting defections. This is a clear danger of Indian democracy. But we are very much confident that people of India is nowadays realizing very clearly all these things. They will correctly took the decision on appropriate time. This is what our clear idea, clear intention. Thank you.
Today there was a meeting with various top Congress leaders. Amit Patkar was one of them. What are the responsibilities are handed over? Will you going to give any MLA speeches from the or any discussion on Amit Patkar because he was one of the tallest leader from the Congress. Is the ex
Amit Patkar is an ex-PCC president. We had a discussion long discussion today. Whatever responsibility we are going to our leaders, we will let you know through the media announcement. But you have to hear my answer. Whatever responsibility we are going to giving that not in the press conference. We are going to give, and in due course of time we will inform you people.
Before you came down to Goa, you must have heard about this new notice about the formation of a new Congress party or something. You must have heard about it. What is your take on that? Because it also has a name like Goa Congress Party. So what is your
Everybody has the right to form a party. If somebody, 50 people, 100 people are thinking that I have to form a new party, everybody has the right. But today I am told by somebody that somebody is going to start a new party named as Goa BJP party. Somebody told me today. No, I see. You are not seen, but I already heard about it. You can see in future. Wait 2, 3, 4 days. Understood. Therefore, I think this is not. Anybody want to vote a party? Let them vote. We are not worrying about all these things. We will finish it off. We will come with a very clear legislation. We will come with a clear this land issue. We will completely give back the powers to the local bodies. Brother. Mallikarjuna Kharge ji and Rahul Gandhi and Congress leadership nominated Girish Chowdangar as the PCC president. We know his integrity. We know his honesty. He is not a newcomer. Last 25, 30 years he is working in this party from different level. We know who is Girish Chowdangar. You can give any allegation. Anybody can put allegation. But we know that he is one of the gem of the honesty person in this party. I'm telling you very clearly. No allegation. I'm ruling out completely. Rejecting that allegation. Nothing is there. He is the honest person.
Was there any discussion about Vijay Sardesai? Because there was news way back that it might get offer of merger with the Congress. Then this.
All the secret things cannot be revealed in the press conferences. How can the strategy which we are going to adopt in this election, alliances, discussion, merger, this all things will be discussed in the room, and we will let you know the appropriate time. Strategy cannot be revealed to you people nowadays. How can it be? I'm totally agreeing with your views. Last two elections, the defectors, we people are thinking our party is like our mother. Those who are defecting this party are basically cheating their own mothers. This is what our thinking. We are very much aware of the people's sentiments about that. Coming election, keeping in that mind, we will take very strong corrective measures to build the confidence among the people of Goa.
Last time, did you go to see about defection? Last time, Girish also took affidavits from them. Written affidavits. Till then, they went.
That's what I'm telling. That's why I told him. I used the words. You didn't hear that. So wait and see. Brothers, you can have the right to ask question to me anything. I am here to answer you with humble. Whether you will ask the question to the Narendra Modi ji, whether he will sit here like you. You have to, this media, fourth estate people should understand that. If there is no democracy in this country, media will not have any role in this country. Now the country's situation is like that. BJP, Narendra Modi using ED, Election Commission, IT, CBI, everything they are misusing. They are trying to destroy the democracy of this country. Therefore, in democracy, at least you people have to ask, you can ask question to us. We will answer to you. But at the same time, at least ask some question on Chief Minister also. Every day he is looting the land. Every day he is looting the land. You people have to ask some question to the Chief Minister. Because for the people of this Goa, media has the right. You can ask the question to us. You are now asking about the Girish Chowdangar, biggest looters of Ayodhya. You are not asking. Looters of Ayodhya temple, you are not asking to them. Poor Girish. Somebody is stealing something else. You are asking. Therefore, your agenda is very clear also. Your agenda also very clear. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so only one more question. Yes, he has answered all the questions. One last question. 1 minute. Only he's asking one question, last question.
Yes. Yeah. Nothing, no reply has been given. Day before yesterday, I have given a letter to the Prime Minister of India by citing the reasons. No, I didn't get any reply. But we will continue to ask questions to the Prime Minister. Parliament session is going to start on 20th onwards. We will certainly raise this in the Parliament also. We will explore all possibilities to defeat BJP in Goa. The decision of all these things will take in due course of time. Yeah, very much. He came here early morning, 9 o'clock, sat with us 1 hour, and he want to attend a big program there, Konkani. That's why he is one of the assets of the Congress party, a fighter in the parliament.
बरें सगळ्यांक थँक्यू 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 थँक्यू